Hello friends, welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Boho Beach Kit. This kit is currently unavailable, but it is on sale. Not sure when it's coming back. And if you did get it in August, it would be $27 instead of $30. These are the components that you're going to get. And what I'm going to do is cut the card bases in half. I'm going to stretch this card kit a little bit further. And what I'm going to do is just put one of these pages and attach them to a basic white card base so that I can have double the amount of cards. So, because you don't need the backside being done. I think it's so cool. I really love the alcohol ink design here. One other thing I wanted to do before I go on explaining what I'm doing in this card kit is I am, as you probably know, I am from Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. And as you know, we are having wildfires right now. And I just wanted to let everybody who's reached out, thank you very much. I am fine. I am not on alert. I'm not evacuated. I'm perfectly fine. And yeah, so it's smoky. The air quality is horrible, and I know a lot of people who are displaced from their homes. So if you want to send a prayer out to us and pray for rain and pray for healthy firefighters to keep on keeping us safe, that would be great. All right, so as you saw what I did there, I used the pecan pie ink from the kit. I added some splatters. I added a leafy thing image. There's 2 leaf images, 2 sentiments, and 1 splatter splotch. So I just put adhesive down. I know that you could use those horrible little glue dots that come in the kits. I'm not really that fond of them. They have a covering on them and they drive me a little nuts, and they're too flat. I like our mini glue dots. I wish they come in smaller packages. Anyway, so that was linen thread. There was some embellishments that go on the, or ephemera, if you will, that go on the back of the card. And then the sentiment. So this one's a little different. Again, this is the second leaf image, and I sort of screwed this leaf image up and I stamped it twice basically. And you know what? It didn't really matter. It made it look better. So I'm lucky that these kits are very forgiving. So I ended up stamping the sit back and relax sentiment. And I think it's 8 inches for the linen thread. And we're going to do something different with the linen thread. We had a messy nest in the other one, the other card example. And now this one, we're just wrapping around the back end. So of the sentiment strips. And I gotta say, I'm happy to use the remaining card fronts for my pleasure. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but anytime I come across something like that, like a paper that I want and I want to stretch it, I'm not much of a hoarder. So I know some of you are, and that's fine. I always say buy 2 packages if you really like it, 1 to save and 1 to use. Yeah, and here we are with, I couldn't find my take your pick tool. My desk was really messy when I created this card kit, but I did end up having to use one of my old pokey tools. I think it's called an awl. Anyway, I attached the little, I guess this is a chair, a lounge chair, and then I found that I had to move it over just a touch because the sentiment wouldn't fit where it was supposed to go. And I did create these the way that they are intended. So you can see the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section. And again, it's currently unavailable, but you never know, it might come back. All right, I will see you again soon. Bye for now.